Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Snapchat Spotlight. So what is Snapchat Spotlight? Spotlight is a place where you can upload videos for other people to like and rate. The highest rated videos or the most popular videos are inclined to win a cash prize. So that's the incentive that Spotlight is kind of dishing out for people to use Spotlight. Now, where can you find Spotlight? Spotlight is in the bottom right-hand corner where that play button is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and I'll show you what it kind of looks like.
Hey, yo, Josh, I got 10 ones. Do you have two?
Now, how do you add to Spotlight? Adding to Spotlight is identical to what you have to do to add to your story. So go to the bottom middle and click on the camera icon. And you have to take a video. You cannot upload a photo, it has to be a video. So either pick a video from your camera roll or you can record a video right here. So I'm gonna record a video. This is my video. So I'm gonna record a video. This is my video. I'm going to press record a video. Send to in the bottom right hand corner. And then I'm going to choose Spotlight right up top. And then you can add hashtags. So I'm just going to hashtag happy. You can add more if you'd like. I'm just going to do the one and press done. And then you press the send symbol in the bottom right hand corner. And it automatically sends to Spotlight. So to see your Spotlight stories is just like what you have to do to see your actual stories. So go to the upper left-hand corner and click on that circle. And then as you can see, it says Spotlight and Snap Map. This is where your Spotlight stories live. And you can press on them to see them too. So I'm going to record a video. This is my video. So that's a little bit of information about Spotlight. I hope it helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.